a new political imperative that say protect all the people of South Africa, make them feel safe. And in fact, it is in line with the Constitution of the Republic. The Constitution of the Republic doesn't allow you to protect some and not others. It doesn't. So when we looked at that, that is when I wrote the directive. I took into consideration, I'm still going to go to the reasons, but I'm just picking up that you had to, you can't freeze people. You now have a new structure that caters for the needs, for the need of the, or further need of the political killing task team. You are establishing those specialized units, and you have actually gone to establish others, and that you are on your way going forward. But then you still approve the existence. Now, what are you finding? We are going to find that those people who are in the murder and robbery unit that was approved in 2019, approved again when we did the structure in 2024, they are going to sit and not do their work because the political killing task team is there, and or it's them who are not going to do work. That's what you're finding in Gauteng, for instance. They have these units in terms of the new structure. Serious and violent crimes, and you have organized crime. And if you establish a political killing task team in Gauteng, it means you are putting them over and above organized crime unit, over and above organized crime, serious and violent crimes unit. There are two units that are now existing. Then you put, so what you are going to do with your fund, you are going to pull people into the political killings task team, and those who remain in these two units, they are not going to do anything. But you are going to be piling people with an undefined kind of situation. And you're not going to be effective on the ground. There's just no way you are going to be effective on the ground, because you are piling people for the same task. Now, I'm then explaining two processes that are separate. You create the political killings task team for a particular objective. You assess it in 6 months. You then sign to extend it up to 2022. And you don't do it after 2022. But all you do, you approve funding for that. And from where I sit, you don't meet the prescripts of the PFMA. And therefore, if you're called by SCOP, if I'm called by SCOP to say, how do you justify what you were funding beyond 2022, we will not have an answer. Because what the motivations that you were getting, they were motivations for money. They were not motivations based on proper assessment for the need to, because if you did the need for further existence, you would have found that the structure has since been reviewed in the form of specialized units, which was not there when the task team was established in 2018. That's my argument.
Okay. Thank you, Minister. Honorable Chair, shall we take the lunch adjournment at this point? And we can